Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Did you know, as well as all the vehicle modifications, we also specialize in accident repairs. Reason why I'm bringing this video to you is one of our customers got himself in a bit of a predicament. Okay, it's kind of sad, sour story. Okay, so sit back, relax, and let's watch this video, and then I'll get into the full story of what's happened. So imagine, yeah, you borrow your mate's car for a couple of days and that, you get into an accident. Not just any ordinary accident, you go and hit several vehicles, okay? And then, worst case scenario, your insurance turns around and says, you are not covered. So now you're lumbered with the full cost of the repairs. Okay, not only are you going to pay your mate's car, you're also going to pay several of the other vehicles that you've hit. Long story short, insurance have turned around and said, sorry, third party is not covered under your policy. So what do? Guy phones up, sends me some pictures, have a look at it. I think, no way, this is best sent to the knacker's yard. This is not, it's not worthwhile repairing. It's beyond economical repair. It was so badly battered, complete front end damage. All the airbags have been deployed. Okay, I mean, I couldn't even think about how I could possibly repair this that is going to be cost effective. Okay, after gentle persuasion, I took on the job. I thought, let's see what we can do, help a young chap out. Okay, so we took it on. Okay, it was a nightmare right from get-go. It's all good repairing the front end, straightforward, but complete dashboard had to be replaced, front airbags, okay, rear airbags, side airbag, everything had to be replaced. Okay, but we did it because that's what we do. We are the very best. Let's get into the story. Let's get into the story. Had a major accident. As you can see, the airbags have been deployed. We're back to replace these airbags and the dash. Front end has already been repaired, just need to paint it. Major accident. Nothing phases us though. Still under control. Plate VW Golf Cabriolet. New wing, new bonnet, new bumper, new lights, crash bars. So I need a new windscreen as well.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on